안녕하세요 여러분. 저는 Precious입니다. In the K-Influencer Academy, we were asked to talk about vacation spots or resorts in South Korea we would love to visit. Now in this video, I have brought out some similarities in regards to vacation spots or resorts you can visit during the summer in my country, Nigeria, and one of my most loved and cherished countries, South Korea. Now, if you are a Nigerian, you must have heard or seen or even visited the places I am about to mention in this video. Okay, yes, in Nigeria. Now, you are going to love the ones in South Korea even more, okay? So you should be thinking about buying your tickets to visit South Korea immediately after watching this video. Okay, let's get started. The first one is Oyo Cattle Ranch. Oyo Cattle Ranch is one of the best places for vacation in Nigeria. This amazing place was established in the year 1951 and the ranch is located in Cross River State. In the ranch, you can enjoy the cable car ride, the canopy walkway, hiking, the gym, sightseeing, having the opportunity to see the animals and enjoy the cuisines. Okay? Now, if this show looks like what you have enjoyed or you would love to enjoy, then you should try out Deguyong Sky Ranch. That brings me to Deguyong Sky Ranch. This is a huge ranch, being one of the largest dairy farms in Korea with over 400 cows, 100 sheep, 40 horses and goats. Wow! That's incredible. You can enjoy horse riding. Now, I love this one, and this horseback trekking, and there are tractor carriages that can bring you around to the observation deck. And guess what? At the baby zoo, you can feed baby animals. You can even explore the Mokwo garden and hidden water flowers. I love it. You know what? There's something shocking about this place when I made my research. Just guess. Okay, let me tell you. Did you know that K-dramas like Cinderella and the Four Knights, We Are Married, Running Man, and other hot K-dramas were filmed in this location? Unbelievable. This will be my first vacation spot when I visit Korea. What about you? Okay? Now, if you love high places, the next vacation spot is for you. Let's go. And that brings me to Boros Tower. Now, Boros Tower can be seen at the top of Obunicae Cave in Ibadan, Nigeria. Okay, this one is in my country. And the tower is 6 feet high and 11 feet square with 2 entrances and a spiral staircase that leads to the top of the tower. Now, from the summit of the tower, you can see Ibadan round, okay, about sprawling before you and appreciate the pre-historicity of the town. Anyone with a good vision can see the Lagos Ibadan toll gate as well as Ife Elisha toll gate from the top of the tower. Okay, now if this looks like what you have experienced or will like to experience, then you should try out Namsan Tower. And Namsan Tower, okay, is an iconic soul landmark that provides ice-bed views of the city. It is both an observation and communication tower located at the top of Namsan Mountain in the geographical center of the city. Okay, so you should visit there at 9 because of its array of colors and patterns. You can even try out the love padlocks. Oh, when I found that this one, I was like, wow. The love padlocks or observatory and even the Ambok Culture Experience Center. What do you think? Did you try it out? Of course, you have to try that, okay? Now let's head over to the first of its kind in Africa and one of 28 in the world. And that brings me to the Korean Culture Center. Hey, this one is a very beautiful one. Okay, KCCN was established to enhance friendship, and bilateral relations and understanding between Korea and Nigeria through cultural and educational programs. Now, the KCCN has a lot of fantastic and awesome facilities like the library, the relics of Korean culture, artworks, film theater, taekwondo hall, and classrooms equipped to teach Korean language. Now, KCCN is in Abuja, okay? If you have felt Korea in Nigeria through KCCN, which is the Korean Cultural Center Nigeria, then you should experience Korea and Asia at large itself at Asia Culture Center in South Korea. And that brings me to the Asian Culture Center in South Korea. This part is quite interesting, and it's one place I truly want to see. Now, this theater complex is a state-of-the-art facility that has played a huge part in the city. Okay, most of it is located on the ground, but the campus is huge with numerous locations, both indoors and outdoors, for galleries, exhibitions, concerts, theater. Well, if you want to experience excellent facility and beautiful finishing inside, okay, or you want to check out relics or books or anything that has to do with knowledge, of course, you can visit this place. So let me ask you, have you gotten your tickets now? Okay, are you a lover of caves? I love using caves in my historical stories. Yeah. So that's why I had to include caves here. Now, anyway, if you're a lover of caves, then you must be familiar with Obunicae Cave in Nigeria. Yes, Obunicae Cave is in the eastern part of Nigeria, I think precisely the Oyo local government area. I know because that's where I served during my NYSC. Oh no. Okay, now it is known, okay, to be a place of refuge and spiritual heritage. The water around the cave is divine. Okay, now if you have ever felt this deep connection with Obunicae Cave, then you should visit the Mangeung Cave. And the Mangeung Cave is in South Korea. This cave is actually a lava tube, the 12th longest lava tube in the world. Oh my God. Somebody hold me, please. Somebody hold me, please. Somebody hold me, please. Now, here are some things you should carry along with you, okay, when you're going to this cave. You can carry a waterproof coat, or you can wear walking boots or trainers. But anyway, just ensure that whatever you wear is comfortable, okay? All right. And then, of course, get to feel the nature at its peak. So what are you waiting for? Have you packed your bags? All right. If you're easily fascinated by nature's gift, then you should know about Incarcerate Warm Spring. Now, Incarcerate Warm Spring is located at Ekiti State in Nigeria. Did you know that warm and cold springs merge together at a point? That is the beautiful part about this place in Ekiti State, Nigeria. So if you have ever witnessed this nature's gift, you should visit Cheonjeon Waterfalls in Jeonju, Korea.
Wow!
If you watch this video to the end, it means you are ready to enjoy hot summer in any of these places in South Korea. And thank you as always for watching my videos. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button immediately. Now tell me, which of these resorts or spots do you want to try out first? Well, it is my earnest wish, yes, my wish and desire to visit all of them in Korea. Oh, may this dream come true, okay? May it come true, may it come true. So, who is coming along with me? Kaja!